What's up, guys? I got a new pickup in today. Got two pairs from Adidas. It's the big box. So let's get to an unboxing. Another ad, your greatest run ever. It's got a discount code. These are the Adidas Superstar 80s, the City Pack. Here's the first pair. It's the box. Superstar 80s City Series, 7.5. Here's a little message: I am not in it for the approval. Now you can read it. Superstar, pretty cool. Damn. Shoes are warm, but this is the Berlin pack. The gray suede all throughout. Love the shoes. Yeah, shoes are so warm because it's so hot outside. Delivered by the UPS. It's warm, but yeah, I love the gray suede. It's Berlin. There's the other ones. Love the suede material, man. Way better than Jordan brand. Very classic shoe. Focus, there it is. There's a logo. Inside just says Adidas. Yep. This pack. Let's get the other pair. Here's the other pair. Size 7.5. Superstar 80 series. The blue. Again, same one. Bam. Blue suede. Super nice. Quality is on point. Both pairs. Got these off Adidas.com. This is the Paris. The Eiffel Tower. The stripes all blended in. It's way, the color is more blue in person. Very nice. Wow, this weight is so nice. Other pair. The suede is so buttery on these shoes. Very happy that I was able to get these. Yeah. Bottoms. Tell you guys think about this new pickup. I think these are hot. Two new pickups, like the Berlin, and then the Paris. Yep, tell me what you guys think. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe. Alright, peace.